Thank you for coming back to my channel for a stimulus check and stimulus package update. Y'all, President Trump went on TV and he issued an order to all governors to reopen churches, synagogues, and mosques throughout the country. He said if they don't do it, he will override their decision and he will open them himself. I've been waiting on this because I've been wanting to get back to church so bad. He said churches will reopen this weekend. Let's see. I hope so. I want to be there. He talked about 3 minutes, if that. His voice was stern and direct. And he did not answer any questions. He walked in the room, said what he needed to say, and turned around and walked out. He said it's our constitutional right to worship. He said the churches should never have been closed in the first place. I tend to agree with him. President Trump yesterday issued a check for $100,000 of his own money. This is money that he would receive for being president, but you know he don't take a salary. He donates his money to different organizations every quarter. Well, this quarter it went to HHS, which is Health and Human Services, to help with the pandemic and reopening of the country. Now, think about that. I wonder how much did Nancy Pelosi ever donate to anything? Just something to think about. Now, should the president wear a mask in public? Y'all, you and I, we have the right to wear a mask if we want to. And I believe that the president should have that same right. Now they're talking about taking away the extra $600 that they give for unemployment benefits, so people will be more likely to go back to work. While I agree with that, at some point they're going to have to take that away to incentivize people to go back to work. But now is not the time to do that. Before they do that, they need to issue that prepaid stimulus card that you have to spend. You either spend it or lose it. This will bring more business into the companies. This will bring more money into the economy. This will get people working again. Because with the uptick in business and restaurants and bars and stores and whatever, the uptick in business is going to demand that them business owners call back their employees, call back all their employees. Then they can take away the unemployment. But not until then. Now is not the time to take away people's livelihood. Y'all, I still feel optimistic that we will get the $2,000. It's just, they're going to have to give it to us. It's the only way to get the country going again. They want money back into the economy. They're going to have to give us the money since they're not letting us work. So I really feel 100% that we will still get the $2,000. And I'm almost positive it's going to be with the stimulus card that you have to use. Y'all, we're going to get out of this. I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you hadn't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. I make these videos every day, and I will until this whole thing is over. Give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down, leave me your comments, your hate, your love. I want it all. Until tomorrow, ciao.